Workforce Development Services has more than 20 years of experience helping people achieve economic security and livable wage careers through grant-funded education and training. WDS is a diverse and bilingual team of experienced advisors who support employment in the community by providing education, training resources, and business partnerships, while promoting equity, inclusiveness, and respect. There are also a few things candidates should know about our eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years of age, authorized to work in the United States, live in or have recently worked in Clackamas County, and you must have the goal to return to full-time employment after training or education. If you are found eligible and approved for grant funding through WDS, we will work with CCC or an approved training provider to pay for your education and training directly. There may be additional registration steps that you will complete alongside your workforce advisor, who can also answer any questions you may have. Things to consider. Candidates should know that our funding for training and academic programs must be 18 months or less, so unfortunately, we are not able to help people achieve a 2-year associate's degree unless they have fewer than 18 months remaining on their degree program. Because we are part of CCC, we work with the college to help support students reach their education and career goals alongside necessary support services. Communication is critical. Onboarding and working with a WDS advisor. During the initial conversation, you will be assigned to a workforce advisor who will help you with the process, which typically takes about an hour. There will be some documents to review and sign. We'll need to verify your identification. We'll work with you to create an individual employment plan. We'll create support service assessments, and you will be asked to sign a participant agreement. If you are a veteran of the U.S. Armed Services, we'll also want a copy of your DD-214 form. Don't get overwhelmed. It is the job of our advisors to assist and support you during this onboarding process. WDS can support Clackamas County residents, job seekers, and CCC students who are interested in more than 30 short-term certifications and career pathway programs available at the college. Emphasis is placed on in-demand, high-wage sectors such as healthcare, information technology, manufacturing, and transportation. Examples of common training focus areas funded through WDS include, but are not limited to, healthcare, such as CNA1 and CNA2, medical assisting and dental assisting, manufacturing, such as technicians, welders, and CNC operators, IT, such as IT support and networking, and transportation and warehousing, such as training for your Class A CDL. Your commitment to WDS. One of those commitments we ask participants to make is to frequently stay in contact with their advisors via phone, email, text, or even in person. We also ask that participants commit to completing any training program with the goal of employment, updating their advisor with any changes or challenges you are having in training, and reporting your employment outcomes after training to your advisor on a quarterly basis. We hope you are excited to start your training and employment journey. Workforce Development Services at Clackamas Community College looks forward to speaking with you soon.